students. In this class, we will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. Okay, already I have completed 3 sums in that first exercise, set language. Remaining sums I will be completing in this class. Okay, so exercise 1.1, this is the fourth sum. Represent the following in roster form. A is equal to the set of all even numbers less than 20. What is a roster form? Tabular form. That is, you have to tabulate what are all the elements in the set. That's all. So, first one is A is equal to set of all even numbers less than 20. So, A is equal to, we'll start with the bracket, even numbers less than 20. So, what are all the even numbers? You know. That is less than 20, you have to write. That's all. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Since it is given less than 20, we should not include that 20. So, till 18, we have to write. So, these are all the elements in the given set. The set of all even numbers less than 20. So, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's all. Then next one is second subdivision. Second one is B is equal to Y such that Y is equal to 1 by 2n where n belongs to n. So n is this n belongs to this capital N is natural numbers. You know that natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So natural number starts from 1. So n belongs to n and n less than or equal to 5. So, n will be 5 and 5n will be the that is from 1. n is the natural number. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 since this is given less than or equal to, you have to include that 5 also. Okay. So, we have to substitute those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values in the given equation and find the value of y. So, 5 values for y we will get. How 5 values? It is given that n less than or equal to 5. So, natural number starts from 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 elements we will get from this. So, first we will find out the values of that. So, n is equal to 1. So, first one is n is equal to 1. So, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. So, this is 1 by 2. So, first element is 1 by 2. Then n is equal to 2. Second one is 2. So, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. So, that is 1 by 4. Then next one is n is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 3. That is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Then n is equal to 4. So, y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4. So, that is 1 by 8. Then n is equal to 5. Y is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, that is equal to 1 by 10. So, we have found all the 5 elements of that set B. So, we will write that in the roster form. So, B is equal to, what are all the elements we got? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. So, these are the elements for the given condition. So, this is the condition given. Y is equal to, how will be the elements of this be? Y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n. So, we have found 1 by 2n where n belongs to natural numbers. Since it belongs to natural numbers, it will start from 1. It is less than or equal to 5. So, we will include this 5 also. So, 1 to 5 we will write. We will substitute all those things in this n place. And we got these 5 elements for B. That's all. Then third one. Third one is C is equal to X such that X is perfect cube. What do you mean by perfect square, perfect cube and all? When you find the square of that number is 2 times you have to multiply. 4 means 4 squared is 4 4s are 60. 5 squared is 5 5s are 25. They are all called square numbers. So, cube numbers is 3 times you will multiply. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So, this one is 3 cube. In the question it is given, this is 27 less than x less than, this one is 216. 216 is 6 cube. 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6 is 216. So, this is 6 cube. So you have to write the x is a perfect cube such that it is between 3 cube and 6 cube. So very simple. What are the numbers? What will be the cube numbers between these two? 4 cube and 5 cube. That's all. So what is 4 cube and 5 cube? 4 cube is 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. That is one number. So it is given as set C. So C is equal to 4 cube and 5 cube. So 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. And then 5 cube. 5 cube is 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125. So these two are the cube numbers between the given numbers. X is a perfect cube between these two, 27 and 216. So between those two you will get 64. That is 4 cube and 5 cube we will get. Then fourth sum is D is equal to X such that X belongs to Z. Z means what? Z means integers. So you will get integers. That is, for that the condition is given that minus 5 less than X less than or equal to 2. So D is equal to, it will be integers. Integers means what is the definition of our integers? You will get negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. All these things together will form integers. So here it starts from minus 5. But here it is given less than X only. So you have to write minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and then less than or equal to 2. So it will be till 2. So 1, 2. So for these 4 questions, we wrote the answers in the roasted form. Okay. This fifth one. Represent the following sets in set builder form. Okay. First one is B is equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day. So B is equal to, we are asked to write the answer in set builder form. So we are building that set. So X such that X is cricket players. X is a cricket player. X is a cricket player in India. The same thing you have to rewrite, that's all. In India, who scored double centuries. Who scored double centuries in one day. That's all. So you will get as many players as possible. So X such that X is a cricket player in India who scored double centuries in one day. That's all. Then next one is C is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Like that you have to write. So C is equal to X such that X is equal to, so this one in some format, some pattern it is there. We have to find the pattern of that. Since it starts from 1, we can say that it is a natural number, n. It is a natural number we can say. So X is equal to, so it starts, okay, natural number starts from 1. So X is equal to n by, n is the natural number. So n by n plus 1 where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so we have built a set, that is X such that X is equal to, how will be the X, how will be the elements of that? X such that X is equal to n by n plus 1. So if you take n as 1, I have given you one more condition that it is a natural number also. So that is, so natural number starts from 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, then next one, if you are taking n, I will show you. So n is equal to 1 if you are taking. If you are substituting here in this 1 by 1 plus 1 is 1 by 2 you will get first element. Okay, second element if you take n is equal to 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, sorry 2. n is 2, 2 by 2 plus 1. So that is 2 by 3. That you got 2 by 3. Then n is equal to 3. That means 3 by 3 plus 1. So this is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So like that it will be going on. So like that you have to frame a condition. For whatever number is given, you have to frame a condition. This is one type of condition that I have framed. Anything can be framed. Okay. Then third one is D is equal to set of all Tamil months in a year. So D is equal to X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. In a year. X such that X is a Tamil month in a year. That's all. Then fourth one is E. E is equal to the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. X such that X is a odd whole number less than 9. So whatever is given in the question, that if you write the same thing, that is enough. X such that X is a odd whole number less than 9. That's all. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. Descriptive form means we have to describe how the elements are given. Accordingly, we have to describe the given set. So P is equal to January, June and July. So you should know to connect the elements that is given in the particular set. So here P is equal to January, June and July. So these are the months of the year. English months we can say. Tamil months are there, English months are there. So here these are the English months of the year that starts with letter J. Okay. So this can be described like that. So P is a set of English months of a year starts with letter J. So all these months starts with letter J. Then second one is Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So what are these? These are all prime numbers. Okay. These are all prime numbers. So Q is a set of prime numbers. So they are the set of prime numbers between 5. So before this you take. Then only in between numbers we can say, or less than or equal to we can say. So instead of that, prime numbers between 5 and 31. Between 5 and 31. So sorry. So this is descriptive form, so you should not put brackets. So Q is a set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. Okay. Then third one is R is equal to X such that X belongs to N and X less than 5. So X belongs to N means N are natural numbers. So R is a set of natural numbers. R is a set of natural numbers less than 5. R is a set of natural numbers less than 5. If it is less than 5 only, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 you will get in this. Okay. Then fourth one is S is equal to X such that X is a consonant in English alphabets. So you have to write the consonants. Vowels and consonants you have learnt in English. So those consonants you are asked to write in this one. So here we are asked to write the descriptive form. So we have to describe it. So yes, S is a set of consonants in English alphabet. That's all. So we have described all the 4 sets that is given in the question. So with this, I am completing exercise 1.1 in matriculation syllabus. So if you have any doubts, please post me in the message box. Okay. Thank you.